diabetes. In a moment, we're going to be talking about diabetes and the effects on your eyesight. Even though you're taking medication and even though you follow doctor's instructions, you still can get side effects in your eyes when you are diabetic. Hi, this is Georgina Salgado Chavez, and today we're going to be talking about diabetes and eyesight. I specialize in hormonal imbalances, and insulin is one of those hormones that we talk about. That I always talk about, that I always help people to fix naturally. Anyways, so diabetes and eyesight. I have seen a lot of patients. Diabetes is causing a lot of bad symptoms, basically. Back when I was younger, I'm 50, all right? So back when I was like probably 30, 32, I have a friend I used to hang out with. She used to come to the house a lot. She was about my age, and she always used to drink soda. She always used to have her can, or she used to buy the 2 liters and finish them off. When people come to my house, sometimes that's a problem because I don't have soda, so I don't have nothing to offer. And people, when they come to visit me, it's either beer or alcohol or soda. They always bring it because they know that I don't have it in my house, like a normal thing to have. Sometimes I even forget, even if I have it gathered together, I have food, but I forget the drinks because I don't drink those. So it's easy to forget. So anyway, she used to bring her soda all the time. And I just tell her to stop drinking that crap. And she goes, no, it's so nice, so good and stuff. And say, but what about you get diabetes? She goes, if I get diabetes, they have medicine, and what I do, I take the pill. That's it. Well, years ago, she used to do that. A few years ago, I saw her in the back of line, in the line in the bank. So I look at her and I say, I know this guy, and it was her husband, but I didn't recognize her because now she's diabetic. I stopped seeing her for like 10, 15 years. And then I go like, oh, hi, how are you? Now they start talking to me and we start, hi, how's everything, how's the kid, blah, blah, blah. We start catching up. And I said, what's wrong with you? You look really bad. And she goes, I have diabetes. Now she has 2 little hairs like here because she has a lot of baldness. She has, like skin in really bad shape. You can tell that she's not healthy. You can tell physically that she's not healthy. And I look at her and I say, I remember that conversation, and nobody want to be in there. And one of the problems that a lot of diabetic people has is the eyesight. A lot of them, they become blind. That's one of the most popular things why you become blind. Why? Because blood circulation, like I said before, diabetes can affect your heart. And high blood pressure, high triglycerides, high cholesterol can affect the blood circulation too. So when you have bad blood circulation, a lot of the blood vessels around your eye, they don't get the nutrients that you need to keep your eyes healthy. And that's one of the problems that they have, so many people with diabetes. I always tell people you have to include something in the size besides the medicine. I never told my patients to stop taking medicine, although a lot of people, when they start doing, they become my patients, they start doing something in the natural space, they cut off medicine, they have less symptoms, or even they stop taking medication. You never say people insecure, because although you don't take medication, you still have to be checking your insulin levels every single day in order for you to have a healthy outcome, because you don't want to get heart problems or serious glucose spike, and then you get into big problems. You can even die, or you can get like really low hypoglycemia. Is very typical. They happen in diabetic, like hypoglycemia comas is very, the comas are very typical because the spikes. So if you have diabetes, I can have you change your diet. But you see, diet is not that much about no fats, no whatever else they say. It's having a very good diet that can deal with you. Yeah, fruits is going to be one of those things that you have to be removed, but not all of them, because some of them, they still can be The only ones that they are not acceptable, the ones that are really sweet, extremely sweet. But for instance, tamarind is very good to include it in your diet. Actually, tamarind can help even to lower your glucose level. That's an example, okay? But for instance, fat, yeah, trans fat, no. But good fats, yeah, because it can help you out to improve your diabetes, improve your gut, improve the inflammation around the cell. Fats are good, they're not bad, but most people that are like, fat are evil. No, they are not evil. You need fats in your body. Now, carbs are okay some, because fiber is carb. So fiber is okay in your diet, but no grain, no whole grains or even simple grains. Whatever you get, no grains. Grains, as soon as you take it inside your body, even whole grains, they become sugar inside. So the spike of insulin is going to go up. You have to be mindful on how you eat. The other thing is add some lifestyle choices. Meditation, walking, exercise, any way, shape, or form. I don't know, there's so many up there. You can go ahead and have something that you like, dancing, whatever. The other two things that I specialize on it and is not included in most of these treatments. When you are diabetic, you need to remove toxins out of your body. And it's not the detoxification that they talk on YouTube, all the videos that they have in social media. Detox for me is a little bit more serious thing. You have to remove the toxins that they've been accumulated over years. What toxins are we talking about? Mercury, aluminum, lead, parabens, like chloride, fluoride. It's so many that you have to be remove them. When you remove toxins out of your body, you reduce inflammation. Reducing inflammation from your body improve everything else. And all the symptoms from diabetes, they can improve as well. So that's one of the things. The other thing too that we forget about it is that even in the United States, doctors, they say that we don't have parasites. We do have parasites, unfortunately. Even if you are living here forever, I know several people that they've been removing parasites, and they always tell me, I see parasites coming out of my body, like worms. And some parasites, you can even see them. For instance, amoeba is very common, but nobody can see it because it's a bacteria. So you want to have a healthy gut. And one of the healthy gut side effects is that you have healthy gut, you will have no problems with your digestive system, and it will improve your immune and diabetes is a two problem. Immune system and digestive system combined problem. Get the parasites removal out of your body, it will improve both. So if you are dealing with diabetes, those areas you have to address. Removal of parasites, diet, lifestyle, and also removing toxins. And you got to do it the right way, because if you don't do it the right way, it can harm you. Remember, toxins have been there for a long time. If you crack the cell open and there are free radicals everywhere, you can get hurt really bad. You can get cancer, you can get a chronic disease really serious. So it can be worse. It can work against you if you don't do it correctly. So go with a professional. I specialize on it. I do a lot of parasites removal. Those are the stuff that can tell you that you have to do it. Until next time, thank you very much, and stay tuned for more nuggets of how you manage diabetes.